In a world overwhelmed by division, disconnection, and distraction, how do we raise a generation that leads with empathy, listens before it acts, and serves with humility? At Bicol University, we believe that values are not just taught in classrooms. They are learned through listening, walking alongside others, and embracing our community. That's why we created KUGOS Bueño, a culturally grounded, human-centered design thinking framework for ethical and empathy-based service. Rooted in Filipino and Bicolano values, KUGOS stand for Kamalayan, awareness; Unawa, understanding; Gawa, creation; Organisa, structuring; and Sulong, sustaining. Each phase trains students to connect, reflect, and act, building not just solution, but character. They are not rescuers. They become partners, listeners, and ethical leaders. Through this process, our students learn humility. They learn that ethical leadership begins not with talking, but with listening. Integrated into our National Service Training Program, KUGOS Bueño reaches over 2,000 students each year, teaching integrity, empathy, and civic responsibility as essential life skills. Their outputs? Real, SDG-aligned community programs. The reward? The deep understanding that ethical change begins from within. KUGOS Bueño transforms service from an obligation to a relationship, shaped by dignity, compassion, and respect. This is KUGOS Bueño, Bicol University embrace of values-driven, community-rooted education.